Hi viewers, I am Dr. Rajani here, Tamil Nadu and International Commissioner for Hindustan Scouts and Guides. You all might be knowing from our childhood we have been into the Scouts, and most of the children today they do not know what is Scouts all about. See, Hindustan Scouts and Guides is a very pioneer and old organization. It was started around 97 years old. Of course, we are about to celebrate our centennial ceremony in the year of 2028. So this Hindustan Scouts and Guides was being established by Madan Mohan Malviya, which was there earlier in the name of British Scouts, and he has been started this. Even the girls guide section was being completely introduced by him. And Prime Minister Modi ji also addressed during the birthday of Madan Mohan Malviya ji on 25th of December in Delhi, where we all gathered in that ceremony. So I have been into this HSG for more than 13 years. I'm serving as a Tamil Nadu International Commissioner, and most of the schools, they are not having the unit of Scouts. They have known about NCC, and most of the colleges, they do not aware of this particularly. So the kindergarten level of the students will be called as Cubs and Bulbuls, and the school level they'll be called as Guides and Scouts. The boys session will be called as Scouts. Guides will be for the girls. Especially in the same college level, Rangers and Rovers. But the Rangers, Rovers, people know very well about the Range Rovers, but they do not know about what is Rangers and Rovers. So this will be helping the students when they are going for the higher education placement, especially for the government jobs. This will be having the credibility if they are HSG scholars. So if the students who are interested to join as an individual or as a group of schools, we are delighted to train them. There are 8 to 10 courses are there in this field, and even a teacher can be trained. Also the students will be trained. If the teacher is trained for 7 days, then only they can be in a position to handle the students of every level for the whole academic year in the school. So we invite to start HSG in your schools and colleges. If you are interested to start the unit in your school and get the benefit out of it, please call Dr. M. Rajani at 82473 82127. Thank you.